welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. So today I'm going to make smoked pork pickle. See this? So when you're making smoked pork pickle, you should have this fat also, because the oil that is coming out from the fat, by that I'm going to fry. So don't use only the meat, you should have that fat also. So 2 pakka meat and 1 fat. So well, I've already washed it nicely by hot water and I'm going to cut it in small pieces. Don't cut in big pieces because it will cook very easily. Well, today my knife looks sharp. Okay. So I've cut it out. Let me show you all the ingredients. This is ginger paste. This is garlic paste. This is dry bamboo shoot. This is dry king chili. I've already soaked it in hot water. So afterwards I will paste it. And salt. Okay, like I said, no oil. By this pork face I'm going to fry it. But remember that after you add the pork in the pan, you should not leave and go and be busy in other work, because it will burn easily. And fry it in a very low flame. I'm going to add salt. See guys, the oil is coming out from the fat, see? So I usually do this, like I don't add extra cooking oil. Just from the oil that is coming out from the pork fats, I use that for frying. Well guys, at least for 25 minutes you have to fry it. So just be patient, because it will take time. I'm hungry. Okay guys, see this oil. So that's why I said you don't need to add any cooking oil. So I'm going to remove the oil. So this oil you can preserve it and keep it in the fridge, like at least for a month you can use it. So this ginger paste, I'm going to remove the juice. Oh, yeah, yeah. And garlic. So here I'm going to add a pinch of salt. after frying, I like to eat the ginger and garlic, so I add a bit more. If you don't like much, so just you can add a little bit. We'll cover it for some time, and by the time I'll paste this king chili also. Well, I'm not going to use one. Actually, I soaked 4 pieces of dry king chili. 2 pieces I'm going to use in another recipe. I'm going to use 2 pieces here. Keep on stirring this after adding the ginger and garlic. Wow, this iron wok is very good. It's not sticking at all. It's like a non-stick pan. So after some time you can add the king chili. Wow. Yeah, we'll cover it for some time. The ginger and garlic is cooked properly. See the color? Okay, at last, this dry bamboo shoot I'm going to add. After adding the dry bamboo shoot, just stir it for 2 minutes and your pork pickle is done. So guys, it's done. Now it's ready to serve. Not serve, ready to eat. Oh, more than this pork, smoked pork, this ginger, garlic and bamboo shoot will be so tasty. Oh, see this beauty. My pork pickle is done. Iman tasty as a. And see this ginger, garlic and bamboo shoot. This will be more tastier than smoked pork. Oh my god, it's too hot. Weather is also hot, my chutney is also hot, and I'm sweating like anything. Okay guys, it was so good and I really like it. Now I'm going to have food with this. And by the way, you can keep this for at least 2 weeks you can keep. So like if you have lots of smoked pork, you can make and you can keep it, and you don't need to worry about making sabji and all that. Just make rice, chutney and this smoked pork pickle. Easy for those who are working. So guys, I really like it, and if you also like watching this video and also if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new video you will get a notification. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, see you, tada.